What's up, guys? Good morning. How are you doing today? This is AB Casino, popularly known as Mob Tech. So today, guys, I discovered a new strategy ways whereby you can um, make money using the Wimbo strategy. Yes, and it only requires just two Martin game. Yes, you heard me. Just two Martin game. Yes. For those who have been reaching out to me regarding this stuff. So this is it. So all you need now is just two Martin games. Now you can see I don't have much. I don't have balance. I don't have any amounts on my capital. You can see. So I have my two phones here. My other phone is here with me. So which I'm going to be doing the. I'm going to be using to do the funding. Do you understand? So like I said, it's just two Martin games. So all you need to do is make sure you prepare your two Martin games down before you use a strategy. Do you understand? So now I'm going to go to my 49. So once I get a signal, I'm going to start with a small amount at first. Then the second one, I'm going to use a bigger amount. Just as simple as that. Do you understand? So just watch the way I'm going to do the process, okay? It's very simple, but you need to follow the process so you won't mix any steps, and so you can be able to get to the accurate results. Do you understand? So I'm going to be checking my frequency table because that's where I'm going to be getting what I needed. Okay, don't forget that is where I'm going to be getting what I need exactly. So I'm still watching the process. Okay, I'm still watching the process. guys, I'm still looking at the market and the system altogether. So I need to be very careful with it. Do you understand? Because once the signal asks me to play, that's when I'm going to play. So I'm going to watch the signal very well to see if it is accurate, if it is actually telling me to play. So now I'm going to go with one color here. He has asked me to play one certain color. So so I'm doing the funding now. So I'm going to refresh. I've done the funding. So you can see I found it with just 500 naira. So I'm going to play with just 500 naira. Then the second one, I'm going to go hard on them. Yes, just watch. So I pray this one does not comes. So once it doesn't comes, then I go hard on them immediately. Alright, good. Now you can see the blue does not shows up. So now I'm going to go hard on them now. Just watch, guys. Just watch the process. So I've done the funding again. So this time around I'm going with blue again. So you can see I fund it with 20,000 naira. So just watch, guys. So let me check again. Alright, so I'm going with blue. So watch, guys. So watch. Alright, amazing. Can you see now? Can you see we have our blue? Very soft and swift. So it's very easy to understand this strategy, but you need to know how it works first. Okay, you need to get the strategy and you know how it works. So you can see we have our blue. So this is I played with 20,000 here. Can you see? So they are still going to credit my account. This one, it doesn't really need to. You don't need to bother yourself or anything. Just know that you only need to have two Martin game only. Just two Martin game only. That's all you need. So once another one comes now, I'm going to refresh. Then you'll see the amount that has been credited into the account. Very easy and soft. All right, so I'm going to do the refresh. Then you see it's a main account. This is not a demo account. I'm not like others that do demo accounts to tweak you guys. I don't do that. Almost all my videos are my main account. It is only if I just want to practice some aspects. That's where practice some strategy. That's where you see me using demo account. But when I'm here to show you how I'm using a starting strategy to get money from the system, I use my main account. So for you to believe how it works, for you to know that it works accurately. So now I'm going to be logging out from the system, and just few hours or maybe some couple of hours I'll come back again. I'll do the same process, then I get my results. So this is it here. You can see the balance showing right here. You can see it's 30,000 naira. You can see very easy and soft. So I've been using this strategy not quite long though. So I decided to share. Let me show you my bet slip. So it shouldn't be as if it's a joke. Can you see what I'm saying here? Can you see the winning accuracy? Can you see one of best slip I played, I think yesterday or so. Okay, this is yesterday. Can you see? This is one I just played now. So let me take you back to some certain. I've done some. There are losses, but the ability to gain loss is what you need. You can see this one. There was a loss here. You can see there was a loss. I think. Okay, this is a winning. This is a winning. So there was a 4,000 I lost here. So what did I do? I double up. I got it back immediately. So all you just need is ability to be able to get back your lost and have a winning. Can you see? No. Okay, this one is a lost. This one is a lost. And there's a winning here. This one is a loss. There's a winning here. You can see. Very easy and soft method. So that's just that about that, guys. So well, if you find it interested, so just reach out to me and let's talk. So see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Peace out.